Welcome to the Legacy Center, a Class A events venue, media production hub, and cultural repair center. We are excited to bring you this asset of the Tulsa Real Estate Fund, which has produced great fruit for the South Atlanta metro community. We're uniquely located just 7 minutes from the world's busiest airport, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, and just a few miles from downtown Atlanta. We've been able to serve the community in many aspects, from its small businesses to large corporations, offering private offices, leasing, corporate retreat space, community days, family days, but also able to partner and collaborate with our local schools to bring repair to our community, from financial literacy to our community garden to aiding with earthquake release for victims of earthquakes in Haiti and other areas. We've been able to impact disenfranchised communities, leveraging our venue.
The New Day Black Wall Street, right in Atlanta.
To continue to build up the communities in which we aim to serve. We're super excited about our new Legacy Center Foundation arm, which will continue that work, reaching out to our youth through programs like Big Brother Anonymous, which is partnered with the Fulton County My Brother Keeper Alliance, the National Obama Foundation Coalition. We're excited about our community garden and its effort to help food deserts within our communities and train up new agricultural leaders within the community, as well as coalition building with youth leadership groups through our local high schools and college readiness programs, and even helping virtual businesses and global and national businesses house their businesses through our virtual address and virtual business services. So we look forward to having your support and for you learning more about how you can partner with us, how you can work with us as we aim to be the change that we seek. Thank you for visiting the Legacy Center and Legacy Center Foundation, and we are excited to work with you on our journey for community repair, upliftment, and offering Class A experiences to all who deserve it.